Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a thread and take the yellow color thread like this. Keep rolling it on the needle, and then after rolling it, you just have to take it to the top and then stretch the needle from the between and put the thread carefully in a line like this. So you can see how we have done it, and then again we have to repeat the same process like this. So first take a needle, sew it on the cloth and then put it out. Now we have to roll the threads over it. Now stretch it like this and let it slant. Now after doing this step, we'll be putting the green or brown color thread in the between. So take the ochre color thread and roll it like this. So as we make the knot stitch, in the same manner we'll be making the between part of the flowers, and it's done. Next, make a V-like shape on the cloth. So just fix the threads on the slanting way and put the threads in the between. Now using green color thread, we'll be making the single chain stitch like this to make the leaves. Now take the red color thread and then using it, we'll be making its flower. So roll the thread like this on the needle and pull it like this. Put it in the between and fix it. Now take the red color threads and put it one by one as shown in the video and fix it like this. Take the ochre color or yellow color thread and put it, and it's done. Next we'll be taking the thread and then put it in the circle like this, and then we have to put the pink color thread like this. Now cut it from the top as shown in the video. Now spread it like this. Now you have to put the yellow color thread in the between, and it's done. Next, take a green color thread and then you have to put it in the between. Now make the V-like shape as shown in the video, and then you have to put it like this. Keep putting the threads in the same manner as we are putting here, and then you have to make the V-like shape. Now take the red color thread and then you have to put it like this on the top to make the flowers. Fix it like this on the sides by putting a knots-like stitch, and it's done. You can make more different color flowers and plants in the same manner. Next we'll be making the digit 5 on the cloth. So just first put this running stitch on the cloth like this. Now we'll be putting the threads in the between and fold it like this. So as shown in the video, watch these steps properly and fill the 5 like this. So first write a digit 5 with the pencil and then you have to cover it. And at the end you can make a shape like this and it's done. Next, draw a circle over the cloth. Now make the chain stitch like this. So this stitch is called chain stitch and you have to put it like this one by one. Now remove the stitch from the between and just pull it like this and stretch it. And put the needle in the between of the space, and then you have to stretch the thread like this to make a shape as shown in the video. And look, it's done. Next we'll be making a heart. So put the threads like this and make the chain like stitch one by one. So put the threads in the between. First draw the lines like this and then you have to roll the threads and put it in the between like this. Cover the outline in the same manner till the end. Now using the red one you have to make another heart like this. Now after that we'll be putting the threads in the same manner and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.